GBPUSD bears failed to take the price below the dynamic 20 EMA and passed the week with indecision. However, the multiple wicked candles above the dynamic level signify that the price is carried by the 20 EMA, where the buying pressure is intact for the coming days. This technical analysis shows the MACD histogram eliminated the bearish sentiment and remained corrective at the neutral zone. On the other hand, the dynamic 20 EMA is below the price and holding it for a considerable time. Based on this structure, any bullish daily candle from 1.3489 to 1.3550 is more likely to take the price up towards the 1.3784 level. On the other hand, the break below the 1.3489 level with a bearish daily close might alter the current market structure and lower the price in the coming days.